Welcome to second video in this series. In this video we'll discuss about the current electricity questions being asked in the recent years. Let's see one by one questions in JEE mains. This is the question in 2016 from the JEE. The temperature dependence of resistance of copper and silicon, the temperature range 300 to 400 Kelvin is best described by. See, this is the purely normal question. We know the copper is a conductor, its resistance should increase. We should also know that the resistance decreases for the semiconductor, but we should remember that semiconductor decrease is not linear. For copper we have got the formula for conductors, so increase in copper. But for the semiconductor, if you can have the graph which is already given in NCERT 3.11, where is the exponential decrease is there, hence 3 is the answer. This is a theoretical question, and if you know slightly basics you can definitely solve the question. This was one of the easy questions. Now let's see 2015. It's a circuit and the current in 1 ohm resistor is to be seen. Let's see the circuit. This is the circuit. This is a purely Kirchhoff law question, nothing specific. You can do by the node analysis also, you can do by the superposition theorem also, if you have done that. Otherwise, from the basics you can go for the Kirchhoff law. For the students who have done the node analysis or they have done the superposition principle, Thevenin theorem, all these things will help you to simplify. I have taken the currents, I have written the direction of the current, you can see, and I place the values over here. I have named this current as I, this is I, this is I1. So with this I1 I have got these two currents, and now we make the Kirchhoff rule for this region. I can say this region, I can say 3I plus 2I, which will be 5I plus 1I1 is equal to 9. And also I can have the bigger one loop, which I'll have here, 3 plus 2, 5I plus thrice of, since I is coming from here, I1 goes here, that means in this loop it comes out to be I minus I1. I place the value 5I plus 3, I minus I1 is equal to 15. Basically remember, here we must try to calculate I1 because we don't require I. So solving, we get I1 is minus 3 by 23, minus 0.13, but since I am getting minus, it should be from Q to P. There's a difference, so hence you can say the answer is A. This was 2015 question. One more question, 2015. 5 volt potential difference applied across a wire of length 0.1 meter. Drift speed is given. Electron density is given. And the resistance of the material is close to. We have to find the exact. So when he is writing close to, remember we have to talk of the powers only, because in the option also you can see every time it is 1.6. So only game is in 10 to the power. The exponent of 10 is important. We can use the formula. We know I is equal to VENA. We'll use the formula. Since the potential is applied, so we make V as constant. So we convert I V by R, and R is taken the other side. A gets cancelled. So V is equal to VDENA. So we have to find out rho. So rho is V upon VDEN L. So that's what we place the value. You can see all these values are coming over here. Important thing is only 10 to the power thing, and we solve it. It comes out to be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. That means D is the answer, resistivity. Again, a very simple question, but you should know the formula and you should know the tactics, that in this type of question you have to save time by knowing only 10 to the power value, because 1.6 is always common. So I will not make much calculations. Again, there is a question from the Kirchhoff law. No current flows through 4M, resistance in arm AB, the potential difference across A and D. Let's see the circuit. This is the circuit over here. We have to find the potential across A and D. This A and this D. We can find through this route AFED. We can find through ABED. We can find through ABCD. Any of the method will do. All will yield the same result. Let's say we apply Kirchhoff law. And we know there's no current from A to B. So I'll make the currents. The current I comes from here. And same I goes, because no current goes here. So now I make the circuit for AFEBA. This is 4I is equal to 9 minus 2 plus 4, because these are the, I am making this circuit which is comes out to be 3 volt. That means I is 3 by volt. Similarly, I take one more loop BEDCB, and this also The voltage will be 4 minus 3, and since only current I, so IR is the value thing, so R comes out to be 4 by 3. Now I know everything R I know, so I can calculate from any place. Let me take it VAD. Let me go through this way. Minus 9 plus 3 plus 1, it gives me minus 5 volt. So AD, potential is AD minus 5. If I go from here also, I can find without calculating any also thing. Whatever I have calculated, that is only because to make you understand, you can solve by other method also. But the simplest method would have been, the 4 ohm is here, it doesn't have any current. So I have tried from A to B. So it is minus 9 volt plus 4 volt. That's minus 5. That's all, because E potential and D potential is same. Similarly, you can go from AF ED also. You can find D. This is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. Current is known to you. That is 3 volt it will become. And then this value 3, 2 and 9. So you will get the again value of 5 volt. So you can use any method, but ultimately potential across A and D has been calculated. Comes out to be 5 volt. Hence A is the answer. Now let's see one more question. This question is there. By mistake the answer is written firstly, but you should see. We have to find the current through 50 volt and 30 volt batteries respectively. Let's make the diagram for the currents. I make the current and these are the values. I know the current over here will be 2.5 because 50 volt has to be across 20 ohm, so 22.5. Similarly 30 volt across 10 ohm, so 3 ohm has to be, 3 ampere has to be here. Now current I comes from here, 2.5 goes here. That means in this region it is I minus 2.5. 3 again goes here, so it goes I minus 2.5 minus 3 in this region. Again in this region it is I minus 2.5 and this whole circuit. So I make this loop 20 ohm, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 5 ohm, and this is what I take and I make a Kirchhoff law across. It is 5 times I minus 2.5 plus 30, that is 10 into 3 plus 5 times I minus 2.5 plus minus 50 is equal to 0. I gives it to be 4.5. That means the current from 50 volt is 4.5. Obviously in this region when we talk of the current, it is 4.5 minus 2.5 minus 3, it comes out to be 1. Obviously you can see इसमें और कोई ऑप्शन है भी नहीं, 4.5 के साथ 1 ही है, but that is telling, it's reconfirming your thing कि आपकी कैलकुलेशन गलत नहीं है, इस वजह से you can have it. So इसकी वैल्यू को आपने यहाँ ले लिया and C is the answer. This was the question from JEE Current 2014. आपने देखा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स का यही वीडियो आपने पहले देख लिया होगा, which I wanted everybody to see the video of electrostatics first, then this, because you will see electrostatics has got slightly tougher questions. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत इजी था, तो करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में ज़्यादा आपको मेहनत नहीं करनी है. इसके आगे ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब, जिसमें आपको ये पूरी सीरीज मिलेगी, हर टाइप के क्वेश्चन पिछले 3-4. हालांकि 2014 में मैंने सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं लिए, मैंने टिपिकल 4-5 क्वेश्चन लिए, और क्वेश्चन और हैं, जरूरत पड़ेगी तो उनको भी अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा. बट फिलहाल के लिए आप इनको देखिए, और नेक्स्ट सीरीज आपके पास करंट के ऊपर भी आएगी. सीरीज विल कीप ऑन कमिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. और अगर आप किसी को ऑनलाइन कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं जिसमें आप टेस्ट वगैरह दे सकते हैं, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. मेरा ईमेल आईडी आपके पास है. इट हैज बीन 24 years. आई हैव बीन मेकिंग वीडियोज, आई हैव बीन मेकिंग टेस्ट सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो एनी रिमोट एरिया यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. Email ID is there. And thanks for watching the video. I hope this will make you clear what all is being asked in IIT. कई बार हम बहुत एक्सेस पढ़ लेते हैं, बहुत कम पढ़ लेते हैं. हमको पता होना चाहिए किस टॉपिक से हमको क्या पढ़ना है, और वही हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है. एक्सेस पढ़ के भी फायदा नहीं है, आप अपना टाइम बर्बाद करेंगे. कम पढ़ के भी फायदा नहीं, आप सेलेक्ट नहीं होंगे. तो इसके लिए जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. थैंक यू.